So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna switch over and I am gonna show you how it runs. All right, so let me actually go ahead and close this off because I ruined the ta-da moment. Let me see here, force quit. All right. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go to the terminal and I have the folder here, and I am gonna make this open source after I'm done with some things that I wanna add to it. So, and I wanna see if I can make it possible for others to contribute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it in 86 box because that's the most realistic hardware. All right, and hopefully this is getting recorded right. So as you see here, it's booting up a virtual 8086 based PC with 256 kilobytes of RAM and a 512 kilobyte VGA video card. All right, it's loading. And I'm really curious if when I do run this on a real machine, if it's gonna perform this fast. Because to me, that was a really fast loader, and the graphics redraw really fast. So I am hoping that this actually works this well in an 86. But enough rambling. Let me show you what we have here. So we have an Apple menu, which I'm not happy that the AI used an Apple icon there, so I'm probably gonna have to change it to like a J or something. If you have a better name for this operating system, I'll take suggestions. But yeah, if I go to About Job, this is Job 1.0, a graphical OS for the 8086, preemptive multitasking with 640 by 480 and 16 colors. We have a file menu up here, which has notepad, clock, bounce, and close window. So, but you can also close windows like this. And you have the notepad, like I said, this one right here. So, hello, this is Jobs, the preemptive multitasking operating system for 8086 machines. And I'm trying to see if I can drag and resize windows. No, I can't. I can only drag them, not resize them. That's fine. I can add that feature. Now we have a clock. Notice how the clock, the bounce, the software, the dragging, everything is happening without stopping the machine. So it's true preemptive multitasking, at least for up to 4 tasks, as you saw there. So we'll see how far we can take that on real hardware. I want to be able to, I'm already actively making some changes to the code base as we speak here, and I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, I think this is pretty cool already. You have the bounce, you can close that out. You can close this, and I can hit restart, and it restarts the operating system. And everything loads up again. All right.